So today we're at Lidl's and we're looking at Sunday's plant drop. But first of all, we get inside. We're going to take a look at the old stock from the lavender. This is the giant lavender, still here from Thursday. Needs a bit of a water, but these are $9.99. And we've also got some bedding plants next door, and these are the geranium ones, still hanging on there. Around the corner, we've got the dianthus from last Thursday. These are pinks, and these are $1.99 a pot. And then underneath we've got the cathara, $3.99. These are also known as a peacock plant, £3.99. But the star of the weekend is the mini rose. Let's give these lots of light, lots of sunlight, keep moist, but don't sit them in water. We can even transfer these outdoors. 4 or 5 plants in one pot, you could split them up for $2.99. That's a great deal. Lots of colours, pinks, purples, lots of lovely colours. So check out my video of planting your Valentine's rose. On the top shelf, we've got the bromeliad, and then we've got green plants. These are $3.99. These have been hanging around the stores for quite a while now, £3.99. And then next door to that, that's the bromeliad. These are $3.99. They was $6.99. Now that's for the clearance. They're looking really good. Do like those. Next door, we have the orchids. These are wonderful colours. Only water these when the roots turn silver grey. You can water these 7 to 10 days. Lots of colours. These are really quite tall. These are good deal. Nice price. They're bigger than the normal supermarket orchids. These are $9.99. I think that's a good price. And underneath we've got celosia, also known as dragon's breath. We've got purples, we've got an orange there, and we've also got some peach colour and yellows, all looking really, really nice. These are $2.99, and that's a good steal. Also a video of potting them up on the channel. We've got some old house plants still hanging around. These are $14.99, and also the pots, $7.99. So let me know in the comments, any of these take your fancy? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Cheers!